I asked him if what can he say about the
Oh,
Philippines,
okay.
the people, the places.
I can say that you guys remind me of like distant cousins. And when you're talking about distant family, there's some people who you may vibe with. There's gonna be some people who laugh at you. There's gonna be some people who
Yes.
bring you into their family.
Yes.
I would say this country outside of my relationships in America, this is the most warm hugs I got.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I got the most
That's-
warm hugs.
Yeah, thank you, thank you.
Most definitely. I really enjoy this, building relationships and just genuine conversations.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Also, enjoy here in the Philippines, especially here in Dumaguete, right?
Yeah, it's real
It's
nice
so
out
nice,
here.
and there's a lot of foreigners.
What can I enjoy here? What's one thing, what's something about this place that I should?
Well, the people here is friendly, right?
Mhm.
You can just like this one. You can genuinely converse to people, and also not the chicks, not the chicks, but it's up to you. There's also a lot of beautiful girls here.